Welcome to Magic Yuyu Fun Arts. Happy Mother's Day to all moms out there. For today, let's draw a simple present for your moms. Let's go! Let's paint it.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Light blue. Pale pen.
Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Brown pen. Light purple. Purple pen. Dark blue pen.
Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Rose pink
Lost
pen.
my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo,
Pink
my
pen.
darling. Blue, blue, skip to my loo, blue, blue.
Sky blue pen. Let's put glitters on it. Glue. Orange glitters. Sky blue glitters. Red glitters. Pink glitters. All done. See you on my next video. Hope you liked it.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.